Greetings, fellow seekers of astrological wisdom. I am William Lilly, your guide into the mystical world of celestial revelations. Today, we are exploring the crucial considerations before judgment that every adept astrologer must bear in mind before casting their chart. All the ancient astrologers who wrote about questions warned the astrologer to carefully consider whether the horoscope is radical and capable of judgment before delivering the answer to the querent. The question is considered radical or fit to be judged when the Lord of the hour, at the time of proposing the question and erecting the horoscope, and the Lord of the ascendant or first house are of the same triplicity or nature. For example, if Mars is the Lord of the hour and the sign ascending is Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces, then the question is radical because Mars is the Lord of the hour and belongs to the watery triplicity or those signs. Similarly, if Mars is the Lord of the hour and Aries ascends, the question is radical because Mars is both the Lord of the hour and the ascending sign. However, if Mars is the Lord of the hour and Leo ascends, even though the Sun is one of the lords of the fiery triplicity and the Lord of the sign Leo, the question can still be judged because the Sun, the Lord of the ascendant, and Mars, the Lord of the hour, are both of the same nature, which is hot and dry. When 0 degrees or the first or second degrees of a sign ascend, especially in signs with short ascensions like Capricorn, Aquarius, Aries, Taurus, and Gemini, it is not advisable to give a judgment unless the querent is very young, and their physical characteristics, complexion, and moles or scars on their body align with the qualities of the ascending sign. If the 27th, 28th, or 29th degrees ascend in any sign, it is not safe to give a judgment unless the querent's age corresponds to the number of degrees ascending, or unless the horoscope is set for a specific time, such as when a person went away or fled at a precise time. In such cases, it is not a proposed question. It is not safe to judge when the moon is in the later degrees of a sign, especially in Gemini, Scorpio, or Capricorn. Some also say it is not safe when the moon is in Via Combusta, which refers to the last 15 degrees of Libra or the first 15 degrees of Scorpio. Matters generally face difficulties unless the principal significators are very strong when the moon is void, of course. However, the moon still has some influence when void, of course, especially if it is in Taurus, Cancer, Sagittarius, or Pisces. And so, dear seekers of truth, these ancient guidelines form the tapestry of discernment. Before you, the canvas of astrology unfurls, intricate and profound. Remember these considerations as you peer into the stars' mysteries. Until we traverse the cosmic currents again, may your journeys be blessed with clarity and insight. I am William Lilly, and this is Christian Astrology.